Gang, 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 what's popping, man? What's popping with y'all out there, dog? Hey, welcome back to the Street University. I am your host, Karnage, man. Let's get y'all intro, and y'all hit that like, you feel me? Because I know how y'all big head ass never do. Hit that like, gang.
Man, you bitch niggas better ante up or elevate. I need 6-figure money, won't hella bucks and hella cake. Fuck boy, I been on dummy, shooting hella ops, make them a day. If not him, then kill his mama, make him feel his wrath in the hell away. Hydro shock bullets out into his chest, watch as they swim away. I don't stop shooting till you down and your last breath, and then I skid away. This a hollow tip.
Gang, what's popping, man? Y'all already know what's popping. You see the title, right? Man, we so divided on this planet. Yes, sir, we is. But I think we in the years of unity, gang. We gotta unite, man. It's time to unite just cause, I think it's smarter that way, gang. I think it's a lot that everybody can achieve together, gang. Some of y'all be so stuck on not uniting, staying divided, staying separated, staying, pushed away to the point you ain't got no resources, to the point you ain't got no help. You know what I'm saying? Now what the fuck you gonna do, right? Shit getting hard out here, man. We seen plenty of motherfuckers out there left alone. They out there on the side of the road alone. They out there stuck. You feel me? No help. Motherfucker can't even give them a pot to piss in. You hear me? And y'all be thinking that shit cool out there, but at the end of the day, gang, you still run into that problem too, where you need unity. You notice that? You feel me? I noticed. You noticed that, gang. Everybody dying off and shit. Motherfuckers leaving you and shit, gang. And half of y'all ain't even got the skills to build before the motherfuckers die off and leave you, gang. Some of the motherfuckers that done died off, they really was teaching you something. You see what I'm saying? So it takes for you to pay attention. You feel me? But no, you motherfuckers so caught up in keeping up with the Jones, lost your big head ass, stuck out here in the earth, gang. You don't know what's going on, what to do with yourself. You don't know why you're doing what you're doing. You feel me? You don't know where to run to, right? I know. And that comes from not paying attention and listening. That comes from not paying attention to your surroundings. That comes from staying divided, my nigga. Unity is a motherfucker nowadays in 2023, gang, because if you pay attention to what they got going on and what they doing with this new world order shit, you understand what I'm saying. You understand that right now in 2023, it's the time to be united, my nigga. I don't mean united just to kick and have fun, you feel me, shoot the bubbles and shoot the, the Django's. No, fuck that bullshit. I'm talking about unite to make shit happen, create businesses, create opportunities. And that's what a lot of motherfuckers don't do. They get together, they get in one bunch, a group, and don't do shit, gang. You feel me? Now I'm gonna be real with you. Everybody can do that shit on their own time. Everybody can get along and do not shit on their own time. But when you get together with a collective of motherfuckers, gang, you're supposed to be putting business together. You're supposed to be making sure plans is, you feel me, placed on the table and motherfucking goals is met. You feel me? You're supposed to be making sure dreams get achieved, gang. Definitely when you in a group of motherfuckers, a collective of motherfuckers who thinking like you, who got the mind state like you. Now, if they don't got the mind state like you, then what the fuck you doing in that crowd? Shouldn't you be alone? Shouldn't you be running off somewhere else by yourself, gang? Yes, you should indeed. You feel me? It shouldn't be nothing hold you back. It shouldn't be nobody in your motherfucking path stopping you at the moment, gang. But I see a lot of y'all get stuck. Y'all get stuck on people opinions. Y'all get stuck on other motherfuckers feeling how they feel about you and why they feel about you. Fuck that. Fuck them. You know what I'm saying? This your life, gang. What you gonna do? You feel me? You gotta unite with something. You gotta align your soul and yourself with something. Somebody out there. If it ain't somebody, an animal or something, what you gonna align yourself with, man? The thing is, some of you niggas and bitches can't align yourself with nothing because y'all ain't got nothing. You hear me? You ain't got nothing planned in your head. You don't know where you're gonna be at 5 years from now. You ain't got no goals. You ain't got no future plans. You feel me? You ain't got an entrepreneur plan. You don't know if you want to own a business. You don't know if you want to work for some motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Making $10 an hour. Like, gang, y'all don't know what y'all want to do. I know what the fuck I want to do. I want to own something, gang. I want to make sure I'm rich and I leave enough finances behind for my kids and create general wealth out of anything I do. I know that I want to own more than several companies, gang. I know I want to, you know what I'm saying, have my hands touched in every motherfucking platform on the earth like Shaq do. From Walmart, Aldi's, Target, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, all that shit, gang. You feel me? Tire shops, car shops. I want to be able to have my hands in everything to be able to, receive multiple streams of income. That way a motherfucker know, like, yo, I got this shit mapped out. I set it up for this. I set it up for this particular reason. You feel me? Some of y'all set your life up for failure, gang. You set yourself up for failure. You put yourself in between a rock and a hard spot. Now it's nowhere for you to run, nowhere for you to hide, gang. And I understand that, You probably wasn't taught how to dodge out of it. You probably wasn't, taught how to jump over those obstacles. But that at the end of the day, gang, You gotta learn something, my nigga. You gotta start picking up them skills. You a man, right? So you can't say you're a man for nothing. I don't give a fuck about what job you got. That don't make you a man. The job you got don't fucking make you a man. The money you got don't make you a man. You hear me? Y'all heard Dame Dash shit that my nigga he'd rather have family than money. That don't make him a man. So, you know, coming from another man who's a billionaire and to hit that status a couple times, gang, I'd rather take it from him than you niggas. Any day. You hear me? I'd rather take it from him than you niggas any day, gang. You feel me? Even if you niggas was offering $500,000 versus sit down with Dame Dash for 25 minutes, I'll take that sit down. I'm gonna tell you why, because the knowledge he gonna give me gonna let me obtain way more than that 500,000 you niggas got. And then another thing, you niggas don't financially know what to do with that money. Y'all want to talk financial literacy. You niggas want to talk financial management. You niggas want to talk in investing and invest in real estate. You feel me? In stock. You niggas want to talk that game. Don't nobody think like that. The niggas on the block definitely don't. Ain't no nigga out there packing a Glock and switch thinking like that, gang. You feel me? They ain't, but they should be. I ain't gonna lie to you, they should be. Hey, I ain't gonna hold y'all too much longer, man. I love y'all. I am out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe, stay tapped in, man. And hit that like button, hit that like button, hit that like button. I can't stress that enough because you boy head hoes never hit that motherfucker coming in. So hit that motherfucker on the way out. I'm gone. Gang, gang, gang. What's up, man? This your boy Karnage Slaughter, man. Welcome back to the Street University. I'd like to thank all y'all who came out, you know, gave me a little bit of your time by coming to my channel. Both channels watching the video. I really appreciate y'all, man. And those of y'all that did not hit the subscribe button as you step in, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Those of y'all that did not hit that like button as you step in or step out, you feel me? Make sure you hit that like button on the way out. Make sure my views match my likes, gang, so y'all can keep me in the algorithm and keep me moving and grooving, you feel me? How y'all have been doing, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all already know I love y'all. Without y'all, it wouldn't be me. So, man, I'm out.